Good morning, Namaste. We are on the online classes mathematics, chapter is sequences. I completed the definition of geometrical progression GP and the nth term of GP, sum to n terms, everything is over. That concept is over. On that concept, that is on the GP, geometrical progression, 2 examples is given. Now, in the textbook examples, these are 2 examples are very important. Okay, now that is why I am taking these examples. You say, the one is 14th example, page number 189. The sum of the first 3 terms of GP is 13 by 12 and their product is minus 1. Then find the ratio and term and first term. Find the ratio, common ratio and the first term. It is the first term. Terms or otherwise terms. Okay. Still observing, whenever we are asked a general 3-termed GP, first I will give one note. 3-termed GP is A by R, comma, A, comma, AR. Okay, na? Where A by R is first term and common difference, common ratio is equal to T2 by T1, that is A by R. A cancel is 1 by R. It is a R. Okay, na? Like that. It is a fixed one. Whenever we ask the 3-termed GP, means you take like that only. Okay, na? And here I will write it note 3-termed AP. Of course, it's not related, but I am giving here. Is A minus D, A plus D. Here the first term is this one. Here you see common difference, that is D, is T2 minus T1, A minus D, that is equal to D. So CD is a D. It is a 3-termed AP. You learn it. Okay, na? That is 3-termed AP. It is not related to this one. And it is related. It is a formula. It is also a formula. Now we will come to the problem. Now the solution of 14th problem solution is, okay, the example. The sum of 3 terms. Let the 3-termed GP is A by R, comma, A, comma, A. By the problem, what we are given the problem, the sum of first 3 terms is 13 by 12. Okay, now it is 13 by 12. That implies A by R plus A plus AR is equal to 13 by 12. And one more thing is there, and product is minus 1. So we may write it as and a by r comma a into ar. A by r is the first term, second term, third term. Their product, their sum is this one, 13 by 12. Their product is minus 1. You see here, in the product r cancels. So we get a cube. A cube is minus 1. A is equal to minus 1 power 1 by 3. That is minus 1. So A is equal to minus 1. A means here not first term. A is the second term. But A is needed. A and R is needed to find. Okay now? You see here, the A of 1 by R plus 1 plus R is equal to 13 by 12. This A is minus 1 of R is the LCM. 1 plus R square is equal to 13 by 12. Okay now? The continuation I will take here. You see, the continuation is 1 plus R square into 12. It is minus 13R. This minus on both sides will multiply with the minus, so that it is a plus. And cross multiplication 12, and this is a 13R, but minus 13R. It is 12R square plus 12R plus 12 plus 13R is equal to 0. You will agree? It is expansion. 12 into 1 12, 12R square. It is 12R square plus 25R plus 12 is equal to 0. Is a quadratic equation. 12R plus 13R, 25R is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation in the R square plus BR plus C, like that. So 12 into 12 is 144. 144 means 16 9s also. So 12R square plus 16R plus 9R plus 12 is equal to 0. You know it well. The quadratic equation can be factorized by this method. It is 4R is taken as common, then 3R plus 4. 4R into 3R, 4 into 3, 12R into R square. 4 4 is 16R. Here also 3 can be taken as common. Here also 3R plus 4. 3 3 is 9R, 3 4 is 12. So in both cases 3R plus 4 is common. And there remain 4R and here remain 3 is equal to 0. Okay now? Now, there are two factors. Okay now? That is 3R plus 4 is equal to 0 or 4R plus 3 is equal to 0. So R is equal to minus 4 by 3. Or R is equal to minus 3 by 4. Okay then? So R values are 2 times. Minus 4 by 3 or minus 3 by 4. Yes. Okay. Okay now? And A is there. That is A value is minus 1. So both values are there. Okay now? Now hence you see, hence, the GP is A by R comma AR. That implies what is A? Minus 1 by A means minus 1 by R means first you take this one, minus 4 by 3, and A is minus 1 and minus 1 into minus 4 by 3, the first one. That implies it is minus plus 3 by 4 minus 1. Is correct? Minus 1 and minus 1 plus 4 by 3. It is 1 GP. Or otherwise, in a different way. Or you see, here, otherwise, A is minus 1, but R is, we may take minus 3 by R also. A by R, A R implies minus 1 by minus 3 by 4, minus 1 into minus 3 by 4. That implies it is minus plus 4 by 3 or minus 1 or minus into minus plus 3 by 4. So there are two types of those GP. 3 by 4 minus 1, 4 by 3. Or 4 by 3 reverse. It is reverse. 4 by 3 minus 1 comma 3 by 4. Okay na? Like this we have to solve. It's a very good problem. Okay na? Yeah. What is wrong? Just pass. Okay. Next example is 15. Find the sum of the sequences. Find the sum of the sequences. That is 7 comma 77 comma 777 comma and go on. It is up to 10 terms. Just 1 minute and just. It is sum to yes, okay. One problem is there. 0.7 comma 0.77 comma 0.777 is there. A problem is also there. I confused with that one, but it is correct. Find the sum of the sequences 7 comma. It is a solution given series. Given series or sequences is 7 comma 77 comma 777 comma 7777 and up to n terms. Okay na? N terms. Let the sum of above sequence or series, we will write series yes or B Sn. We take Sn. Sn is equal to 7 plus 77 plus 777 plus 7777 plus dash up to the Tn. Okay na? N terms. You see, 7 we take as common. 1 plus, it is 11 plus 111 plus 1011 plus and so on up to Tn. Tn means nth term. 7 by 9, we are dividing with 9 and multiplying with 9. The 9 is inside. 9 1 is 9, 99. 9 into 111 is 999. 999 and so on up to Tn. Nth term. It is 7 by 9 into, okay na? This 9 can be up to this one. It is a different type problem. We cannot say it is GP. It is a sequence only. But we made this sequence into GP. But here it is not GP. Okay na? 9 into 11 is 99. 99 into 11 is somewhat different, not this one. And into 11 is not this one. So it is not GP. But we make it into GP. You see, this 9 can be written as 10 minus 1. This is 100 minus 1. This is 1000 minus 1. And it is 10,000. I will write here. It is 10,000 minus 1. Like this is going up to nth term. The 7 by 9 of You remove the brackets. 10 plus 100. 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus 10,000 and go on up to n terms. Okay, not n. Minus of minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, n times as there. Minus common 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus dash 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 n times. Okay, na? Here it is 7 by 9 of, you see, up to this one it is n terms. Here you see, is GP. Here it is GP. It is clearly it is a GP because A is equal to 10. R is also 10. Will you agree? 10 into 10, 100. 100 into 10, 1000. 1000 into 10, 10,000. Like that is going on. This is one series. It is GP sum. That is once only. So here formula is there. A of R power 10 minus n by R minus okay na? A formula is there. Okay na? That is 1 plus 1 plus n times. It is n only. Now you see, it is 7 by 9 into A is 10, R is also 10. So it is 10 of 10 power n minus 1 by 10 minus 1 minus 9. It is 7 by 9 of, it is 10 of 10 power n minus 1. This is 9. It is 9 and it is minus n. So this is the answer. Okay, na? A very good problem. This problem is also there. We will solve again. Okay, na? It is important problems already asked in the exams also. Okay, na? You have to learn the remaining examples also. It is your duty. Next, I will tell one concept is there. I will tell it. Okay, na? Just pass. Okay, students. After the two examples, 14 and 15 problems, a concept is there. This concept is geometric mean. Geometric means notation is abbreviation is GM. If A and B are any two numbers, real numbers, and a number which is inserted between A and B, inserted between A and B, so that the resulting series or sequences is a GP. Then this inserted number is called as a geometric mean or geometrical mean. It is denoted by GM. Okay, na? That implies A comma, say it is G comma B are in a GP. Okay, na? Where G, capital G is the number which is inserted between A and B. Okay, na? So that AGP or by the definition are in a GP. Yes, okay. That implies here R is equal to, that means common ratio. R is equal to T2 by T1. That implies R is equal to G by A. G by A. R is equal to T3 by T2 also. That is B by G. Okay, no? I will write here. What is T2? G. What is T1? A. So two types is there. R means common ratio. Common ratio can be obtained by T2 by T1. That is G by A. And again T3 by T2 also. B by, it is B by G. So that implies both are R, na? So G by A is equal to B by G. That implies G square is equal to AB in a cross multiplication. G square is equal to AB. That implies G is equal to root AB. Okay, root AB or cube root of ABC or fourth root of ABCD or nth root of ABCD, just like n terms. This is called as a geometrical mean. In statistics, it is there. Okay, G. So the number which is inserted between A and B is geometrical mean. Why it is called as means? That will be, you see here, G is root of AB. I will tell clearly. Slowly listen. Suppose A plus B by 2 is AM. Sum of numbers by total number of numbers. Or otherwise A plus B plus C plus D is there by 4 is also AM. This is arithmetic mean of 4 numbers. Sum of the numbers by 4. 4 means total number of numbers. Similarly, A, B, product, here sum, here product, is GM, geometrical mean. Here, the geometrical mean for AB is square root. For ABC is cube root. Is also GM. Here, GM of ABC is cube root of ABC. GM of AB only square root of. Suppose fourth root of ABCD is also GM. GM of 4 terms. Here 4 terms. It is 3 terms. It is 2 terms. Here only we are getting 2 terms. Okay, na? That is why we are called as that inserted number between A and B is geometrical mean if the series is GP. Okay, na? Like this. Okay, na? We go through it. It is a very good concept. Okay, na? Yeah. I want to give an example also. Example is there. I will give that example. Okay, na? Just wait. Insert 3 numbers between, that is the 17th example, page 190. It is 17th example, insert 3 numbers between 1 and 256 so that the resulting sequence is GP. 1 and 256. 1 and 256. This is example 17. Okay, Nana? Insert 3 GMs, okay, na? Between 1 and 256. I have to find those GMs. Okay, na? Solution. Observe. Let the GMs be G1, G2, G3. Which can be inserted between 1 and 56. Okay, now you see that here. That implies 1, G1, G2, G3, 256 are in the GP. Correct? Are in the GP. Here you see, this is the first term, second, third, fourth, fifth. T1 is equal to A is equal to 1. Yes, okay. And T5 is equal to 256. First, second, third, fourth, fifth term. What is T5 in the GP? A r power 5 minus 1. Okay, na? You remember that one. A r power 5 minus 1 is equal to 256. That A is 1, yes, it is R power 4 is equal to 256. That implies R power 4 is 256. That implies R is equal to 256 power 1 by 4. Okay, now? You see, that implies, and continuation. Continuation is R is equal to 256. You see it? 4 square is equal to 16. 4 cube is equal to 64. 4 power 4 is 64 into again 4. 16, 1, 256. Okay, na? So it is 4 power 4. Whole power 1 by 4. Will you agree? 256 is equal to 4 power 4 and its index is 1 by 4. So cancels, we get to 4. So R is equal to 4. So A is known and R is also obtained. The value of R, common ratio, is obtained. Now you say G1. What is G1? G1 is a second term. Second term is AR. A is 1 into R is equal to 4 is 4. AR power 2 minus 1 actually. G2 is 1, 2, 3, third term. That is AR 3 minus 1. That is AR square. That is 1 into 4 square is equal to 16. G3, it is fourth term. 1, 2, 3, fourth term. Is AR power 4 minus 1. AR power 3. AR cube. That is 1 into 4 power 3. That is equal to 64. Okay, Nina? Therefore, the required 3 numbers between 1 and 256, so that the sequence is GP, or those numbers are, one is G1 is 4, 16 and 64. Okay, like that we have to learn it. Okay, now is it clear? Yeah. Thank you.